have been a Mac user for over 10 years and I still learn something new from time to time. In this guide, I will show you 5 quick Mac tips that will save you hours. No matter how long you have been using a Mac, I bet you will learn something new today. macOS has a handy feature that offloads unused iCloud drive files to free up storage space on your Mac. However, this can become somewhat annoying if you have to download a file every time you want to work with it. And what if you don't have an active internet connection? This is where the iCloud Drive's Keep Downloaded feature is handy. If there's a file or folder that you want to keep permanently on your Mac, right-click on it and select Keep Downloaded. macOS will now keep these files downloaded on your Mac, saving you precious time. Many Mac users don't realize this, but the macOS Finder includes built-in image tools that let you quickly rotate images, convert them into different formats, and even remove image background without using a photo editor. You can access these features in 2 ways. With Finder open, select the photo you want to rotate or convert to a different format. If it's not already open, hit the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-P to open the preview window, or go to the View menu and click on Show Preview. From here, you can use the Rotate Left button to rotate the image. To access other tools, click the 3-dot menu. You can create a PDF from an image, convert the file format, or even remove the background. You can also access the same image operation options by right-clicking or control-clicking on the image and using the Quick Actions menu. The Get Info button you can access by right-clicking on a file or using the Command-I keyboard shortcut is an excellent way to get information about a file. For example, using the Get Info button, I can check an image size, creation date, dimensions, and more. However, there's a hidden and even more powerful Show Inspector tool that not many people know about. To access this, simply hold down the Option key while right-clicking on the file. You will see that the Get Info button has changed to Show Inspector button. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command-Option-I. At first glance, you will see that using the Show Inspector button reveals all the same information. But notice what happens when I click on a different file. It switches the displayed information to the currently selected file. This allows me to quickly see the information of multiple files without opening and closing multiple Get Info windows. Also notice what happens when I select multiple files. It shows the combined size of all the selected files, allowing me to quickly see the total storage these files are taking up on my Mac. So if you're dealing with multiple files, always use Show Inspector instead of Get Info, and this will save you a ton of time. By default, the Finder window doesn't show a path bar. You can enable it by going to the View, Show Path Bar, or using the keyboard shortcut Command-Option-P. If you didn't know about this feature, you are already ahead. But if you do know about it, here are some tips that will help you save some time. Firstly, you can click on any of the folders in Path Bar to quickly open that folder. Another benefit of Path Bar is for moving files. Say you want to move a file or folder a level up. Simply drag and drop the file on the folder name you want to move to, and it will move that file. No more opening multiple Finder windows or unnecessary copying and pasting. Renaming files individually is a chore and a waste of time. Thankfully, the Finder has a built-in batch rename feature that can save you hours. Simply select all the files you want to rename, right-click on it, and choose the rename option. Here, you can format the entire name or add or replace text in the file names. I use it mostly for renaming my screenshots and use the format function to rename them with a numbering system. Once you get the hang of this feature, you can batch rename files in a jiffy and save precious time you would have otherwise wasted naming files individually. And that ends our guide for Mac tips that will save you hours. If you like this guide, click here to learn more macOS tips that will supercharge your Mac experience. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.